So today I'm going to show you a quick loot room design that is extremely overpowered. So what you want to do is build out a 1x1 with a single door. You need to use a shelf at the back and then add 4 boxes on the shelf. Now, the placement doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to use no clip for the video to make it nice and easy for myself. But you want to get them as far back and into the corner as possible. Now from here what you want to do is add a armored door opening outwards. That's quite important. Now if you go to place the vending machine, which is the next step, and you're standing on a foundation, you will not be able to place this vending machine. This is partly the reason why I thought this was patched. However, if you're standing underneath the foundation, you can actually place the vending machine, as you can see here. So you do need to do this on the lower level of your base. If you're doing a 3x3, you can just remove the center foundations, and that will allow you to place these vending machines quite safely. Now you can also place small boxes in the corners here. They are lootable because you can actually get to them from the sides of the vending machine, but basically as you're placing the vending machine, you want to line it up with the bottom of the frame there that you can see here and get it centered. What you can do is actually put it off to the right a little bit. And the reason being is that the door actually gets in the way a little bit on the left hand side, but not on the right. From there you hit shop and then you can rotate it to make it easier for yourself at the foundation now. And what you should be able to do is on the angle here, if you get the angle right, is access these boxes. So small, large box at the bottom, large box at the top. So it's roughly where the crease is, where it goes darker. There. And on the left hand side you can see that small box there quite easily. Bottom box, top box. Now you can use the vending machine to store loot temporarily, but when you go offline you want to rotate it and then close this door. So if any raiders do have access, they shouldn't be able to grab these boxes because the shop icon takes up all of that view. You can see here, like I was saying earlier, they can still access the small boxes if they get the right angle. So I wouldn't store anything important in those. Now, in terms of raid cost, the armored door actually absorbs the rockets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that the vending machine hasn't taken any damage. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and you can see it's got 6 HP left. And then you actually access the 4 boxes. You can see the small boxes, because they're quite close to the vending machine, do get destroyed, so they are optional. However, the main 4 boxes, significant raid costs, so just something to bear in mind. Okay, so here's a 3x3 design, proof of concept, just to show you how this could work in practice. So you have a 3x3 with twig in the middle. Now the back side, you can see here, get the angle right, we have access to the TC, a small box on each side, drop box on the top left, and a large box in the back left. Rotate this out and you can't actually access any of these boxes. So the raid cost is the full amount. Whereas every other loot room on the sides is the same design, where you have 4 loot boxes, 4 large boxes on each side that you can access behind the vending machine.